Hey everyone, how's it going? To write a chord, we first need to decide on the scale we want to use for our song. Then we'll write the chord using the notes of that scale. Let's get started. It doesn't matter if we write a melody based on a chord or a chord for our melody. Just remember that chord notes are part of the scale notes. I'm going to write a chord in the F major scale. First, I'll choose the F major scale in the piano roll. This will show us the notes of the scale in the brighter rows, which we can use to place the notes in the right place. You can see the notes of the F major scale and the type of chord on top of the screen. Chord notes are always 1, 3, and 5. For example, we want to write a chord progression as G, D, A, and F. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.